How to scan documents using Android phone Google Drive scan. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. Our first step will be, we will simply go to Drive app in our mobile phone. So I'll simply click on Drive app. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. So for scanning documents we will simply click on that plus. Once we click here you guys can see Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Docs, scan, upload, folder. So you guys will simply click on scan. Once we click on scan, you guys will simply, it will say I didn't give permission. So for permission I will simply back. Now I will hold on Drive app. Now here you guys will see that I simply click on that. Once we click here you guys can see notifications, permissions. Simply click on permissions. Now here you guys will see camera. Simply click on camera. Now you will simply click on allow only while using the app. Once you do that, after that you will simply go back to Google Drive. Once we back here you guys can see scan. Simply click again on scan. Once we click on scan, that's it. It will say try the new document scanner beta. Also you guys can dismiss it while simply click on dismiss. After that you guys can see auto capture manual. So you guys will simply add camera to your document, and once you do that it will automatically capture the text or scan it. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.